What is Fat Burning Kitchen? Fat Burning Kitchen is the new eating routine change that encourages you to diminish your obstinate muscle-to-fat ratio. It is the logically demonstrating strategy and has been producing by Mike Geary. In this program, you will appreciate a progressively lively body with the restoring skin, joint, and hormones. At the same time lessening your difficult muscle-to-fat ratio, trim your waistline, and enhance your vitality levels. This program will influence you to pick the solid nourishment. It will assist you with having the accurate choices to reshape your eating routine arrangement. The point of this exceedingly famous ebook is to help individuals in actualizing a general change of their weight control plans by wiping out the most unsafe and endangered sustenances and supplanting them with solid vegetables. It is instructive in helping individuals settle on top choices in regards to their eating routine. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. How does Fat Burning Kitchen works? Fat Burning Kitchen is a pristine program that changes your eating regimen. It will make your body as the fat-consuming machine. It encourages you to discover protein bars or vitality bars or sweet treats in a mask, and bars are useful for your well-being. This program will assist you with knowing the entire grain double dealing and why entire grain saltines, oats, and bread are load more muscle to fat ratio on you. You will find why that skim milk may not be so bravoing all things considering. You will find why the skim milk probably won't be too for you all things considering, and the messy truth of homogenizing milk. In this program, you will locate the sort of soaked fat that invigorates your digestion levels. This system influences you to find when delicious smooth chocolate helps to keep your sweet tooth yearnings. What will you learn from Fat Burning Kitchen? You will get all the delectable, nutritious, and mouth-watering feast designs that satisfy your craving, as well as lessen muscle versus fat and battle against maturing. You will find the craving suppressants around, yet you have to eat these sorts of cheddar to get huge medical advantages. You will become familiar with the correct things to utilize as opposing to add mouth-watering sweetness to your ordinary morning espresso, oats, and pastries. Click the link below for visit official site. Bonus, the 23-day advanced nutritional fat burning blueprint. Pros and cons of Fat Burning Kitchen. This program can be utilizing by anyone who wishes to shed pounds and furthermore carry on with a more advantageous life. Fat Burning Kitchen is written in a straightforward language and straightforward. It is the well-ordered, educative, and furthermore profoundly valuable manual. This technique is experimentally demonstrating and has no reactions. You can undoubtedly dispose of the fat putting away sustenances and furthermore supplant with the fat-consuming nourishments. You will get all the crucial supplements of your body needs, while in the meantime it will aid weight reduction. This program will influence you to adhere to the given guidelines normally to see the best outcome. For more information, click the link below.